When farmers share knowledge like this, the information can be golden. This advice on how to get rid of rats and mice is no exception. This remedy is simple as can be, and it does the trick. Rats are unwelcome visitors that often carry disease and bacterial infections, so it's important you remove them as safely and as swiftly as you can. Thanks to this brilliant farmer, we've got a hack that'll get rid of mice and rats for good, and you won't believe how easy it is. The best of all, it only takes 2 ingredients: baking soda, cornbread mix, or it may be advertised as a muffin mix, and a Tupperware container. The farmer suggests using the Jiffy brand with real honey cornbread mix, so you have this and some baking soda, and of course your Tupperware container. You'll want to cut a small hole in the side of the container for the rats to go in. You can pick up the Tupperware container for as little as $1 to $2 from a hardware store. Next, just mix equal parts of cornbread mix and baking soda and put it in the container with the hole and put the lid back on it. Place the container on a shed floor or anywhere else where you're finding them and watch your rat problem vanish. If you only have a few rats or mice, then 4 tablespoons of baking soda and cornbread mixed together may be enough. So why does this work so well? The answer is actually quite brilliant. It has to do with the rat's anatomy, and is also the reason this trick won't harm any other animals such as dogs or chickens. Rats can't fart or burp. So when the baking soda expands, the gas has nowhere to go and kills the rat. Similar, if you put baking soda and vinegar together, you get a bubbling reaction, which is what is happening in the rodent's stomach. The mixture immediately foams up, and that explains that. Since rats and mice can't pass gas, this reaction will kill them. The farmer, after trying many other traps, swears by this trick, and we've got a feeling that he's on to something. For anyone who's dealing with a rat or mouse problem, this should help fix it in no time. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of pests using salt. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.